Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, on the Ethereum chart, we are probably still in this wave 2 correction, even though we already reacted twice to the yellow, trend reversal or support area. The idea was that since we created a local top here in the wave 1 on the, one second, that was the 13th, 14th of July, that we would come down to at least 1876. Now, I'm very happy to say that we've arrived there at our first destination. However, there are further destinations we've got on our journey, right, in this wave 2. So Ethereum works its way through the wave 2. And in my opinion, we should be in, we should have the A wave complete now on this chart. And I'm watching if the C wave can now, I'm watching if the B wave can now unfold, and in the B wave, we have an ABC structure. A wave to the upside, fairly impulsive. The B wave retraced quite a lot. That is typical for a so-called flat structure, and then I'd like to see a C wave to the upside. My speculation is that it's now going to go higher in a C wave. Obviously, the condition for this particular wave count on the lower time frame and lower degree for this to work out, Ethereum must hold yesterday's low at around 1876, because then we could now follow through in a C wave. The C wave is a 5-wave move. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ideally like that, okay? Now, we can look at possible targets by, first of all, using the Fibonacci retracements. If we draw them from this distance, the top on the 14th of July, all the way to the swing low, and then you get these fibs. And you can draw, or you can use these fibs when the B wave follows an A wave that had 5 waves. Then it makes sense. Between the 50% and the 78.6 fib level, between 1952 and 1995. So let's see if we get there. It's not really target, it's more like resistance. Target-wise, we can take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and then we're getting here the 1950 level roughly, the 1.618 extension, which is basically overlapping with a 50% retracement. So that's an area of confluence I would pay attention to if price holds 1876 and is following through now. But generally, the entire area can be used. Be aware that B waves are very difficult to forecast. But so far it's going according to plan. And yeah, I mean, maybe this was a small 5-wave move up, a small 3-wave move down, a higher low, and then it can go. There are different ways how this can unfold on the lower time frame. The lower degree waves have very little predictive quality. However, everything worked out nicely on the way down here. And now we're looking for a B wave rally at some point. I cannot rule out that it's going to go a little lower before it goes up, but ideally we already bottomed in wave A and will rally in the C wave of wave B. If we lose 1876 without rallying higher, then I think we will get a delay in the B wave. It will come later. Overall, we still expect lower anyway, so it would just be in line with the scenario. It would just be that this B wave hasn't started yet. And anyway, I have no evidence the B wave has started. Yesterday I posted I need to see a break above 1921 to really confirm that, a break above the A wave high. Until then, I haven't really got the evidence that the B wave has started, okay? I can speculate, yeah, but I don't really have the evidence. So, and then eventually we should come down lower in the C wave with relevant support at 1828, 1781 and 1713. And after that, if we find support in this yellow box, then we should be able to rally in a third wave later to 2,500 plus. But the condition, as I said, is that it's holding 1713. I think this could come down quite deep. We'll see. Below the 78.6 fib level, the overall assumption probably changes. Not necessarily too much more bearish, but yeah, to a short-term more bearish scenario. But until we get there, there's no need to really waste our brain cells too much on bearish scenarios. We can quickly change our view if we see evidence. At the moment, we are in a potential long trade setup, as discussed in previous videos. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.